All right, so here are the lights that we're going to end up putting in the bumper. For the factory bumper, it comes with the instructions for all the craziness, but this is pretty clear cut. For the ranch hand, it should be fairly simple and easy to get to. You've got your pigtails, all the nuts and bolts, new lights, wiring harness, which I don't need because all I need is those pigtails. This is the mounting kit specifically for these lights. These lights can be mounted however you see fit, and that's where that harness comes into play. You can see it's even got a push button. You've got covers. These are probably very similar to what I put on the Jeep. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. Maybe not. One second. Make this short and sweet, get it all bolted up, and get it put in. Alright, so I still have to take care of the wiring and finish everything underneath, but I mean, that's blinding. I wish I would have done a comparison with the old bumper and the factory lights, but I will for sure show you tonight on my way home what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and get this other one put up in there, take care of the wiring, get everything zip tied and nice, and we'll call this good. Alright, so this is what they look like in a ranch hand off. Fit nicely. Alright, give me a second, we'll go turn them on. Alright, and that is the blinding light when they're on. So I also have Bambi mode turned on with 4Scan. Those of you who don't know what that is, it's a pretty awesome tool you need to look into. Buy an OBD adapter, hook it up, Windows laptop. Do not use it Bluetooth. If you're writing a change and the Bluetooth connection dies, you are teetotally screwed. Anyway, with 4Scan, you can turn Bambi mode on. That is where you can have high beams and fog lights at the same time, which, as you know, you cannot on majority of vehicles have high beams and fog lights on. All the reviews of everyone that puts these on, as far as those rough country pods, they are stupid bright and they can't even use them on the highway. And that wasn't what I was looking for. I was looking for something that just helps with the high beams. So this will definitely fit the bill. So I'll do a cut in tonight whenever it gets a little darker than what it is now, and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so this is a clip facing out of my garage. This is just with my headlights on. And we'll come back over here. And then I'll bring you up here so that you can see better. Alright, so again, just headlights, fog lights. So you see no trees, no nothing. I know that looks trashy, but that bed mat I lay down and it kills grass where I don't want it to grow. Anyway. Then that's a pile of mulch. But they are crazy bright. And I've got halogen bulbs for high beams. And then those are just the LED low beams. And then again, the fog lights. Pretty crazy.